Hey guys, so today we are making a vegan steak out of this Romanesco, and it goes something like this. First pull off the leaves, then cut a thick slice. Make sure everything holds together. Then some olive oil, a pinch of salt, and rub it in. Vegan steak in. Press it down. Cook for about 3 minutes. Flip it after 3 minutes. Now what you do with the rest. Pick one half and crack it up into the water for about 3 minutes. Take a hot pan, into the pan. Add some breadcrumbs and toss it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now take the last part and slice it up. Then take some potatoes and slice them up too. Yeah, it doesn't matter how they look like, they're gonna be treated all the same. Into the water, cook until tender. Strain them, but keep some water. Now mix it. Don't forget the potato skin. Fry them in some chili oil. And we are ready to serve. First off some puree. Make a line. Then our vegan steak. Add some roasted Romanescos here and there. Add some chips here and there. And now let's dig in. Wow! That was it for me. now it's your time, guys. See you next time. Wait, there are some flowers left. What to do with them? I will show you next time. See ya!